Alice and it's been a while, but I think I got a pretty good excuse for this, so this video is going to be a little bit different, because I'm talking about my studio. My studio is just a f***ing mess. So here's the thing, I work as a full-time media designer in an advertising agency. I also get to commute 2 hours per day, so as you guys might can imagine, there's not much time for drawing, making these videos and all these fun stuff I'd like to do. And that's why I need to optimize my studio space. Like seriously, I'm spending so much time searching for things, setting these lights up, switching camera angles, dealing with the microphone and so on. It's just really frustrating from time to time. And not only am I wasting my time, this whole thing creates so much friction that I'm totally unmotivated by the time I'm good to go. I mean, I could also film everything from one angle with my smartphone camera and that's it, but that's just not me. I really enjoy creating things that I'm proud of. Especially learning new things is something I really enjoy. And in the past few months I learned so much about editing, filmmaking, talking to a camera, something I never did before. And I'm getting comfortable. So, long story short, it's time for a change. And sorry by the way for this whole dramatic intro thing. It took me, by the way, 40 minutes to make this. 40 minutes to make this. Now you know what I mean by wasting my time. The first thing I want to get out of the way is my camera stand. So I hit the Google search and found this awesome wall-mounted stand. Next, the acoustics. This is a co-working space I share with a friend of mine. As you can see, the rooms are not really divided, so the sound becomes very lingering. So I bought a heavy Morton curtain to divide the rooms when I'm filming. I only need to declutter everything. I want to have quick access to the things I need the most, so I first assorted everything. Important things like favorite pens, lenses, Boba Fett or headphones are always inside and easy to reach. Secondary things like random camera stuff go into my drawer unit and I finally make use of the labels. Bulky items like light stands go to these wall-mounted clamps you normally use for brooms and stuff like that. But it's just super handy. Finally, this place is now clean and I know exactly where everything is. Let's see how long I can keep these 8 square meters tidy, huh? And hey, don't get me wrong. I'm super grateful being able to afford this little extra space I can dedicate only to my passion. Especially after years and years of eating, sleeping and drawing in the exact same spot. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I don't know about you, but I personally really like seeing other artists' workspaces. And this is why I wanted to share this with you. Next there will be a video about art again, and until then, less over and out.